Many people use a tumble dryer to dry their laundry, but how much does it actually cost in electricity to run such a tumble dryer per cycle? In this video, I tested it out and the result really surprised me. Go ahead and write in the comments below what you think one cycle of the tumble dryer costs in electricity. I'm sure that almost no one will get the right answer. But first, all the laundry has to go into the tumble dryer. Now I'll grab my electricity consumption socket because with this I can enter my current electricity price and see directly on the display how much the electricity costs are. First, I'll reset it so that it starts completely from zero again and we don't get a distorted result. So I plug it into the socket and then the plug for the tumble dryer goes in here. By the way, the laundry I put in here I just took out of the washing machine. That means it has already been spun, so it's just as wet as yours would be when you take it out of the washing machine. As soon as it's in the dryer, I set it to cotton extra dry, which is the standard program. Now we'll let the tumble dryer run through the entire cycle. Afterwards, the laundry will be nice and dry, and now comes the moment when we look at our socket. Here we can see that our tumble dryer has run for 2 hours and 15 minutes. We used 1.176 kilowatt hours, which corresponds to 41 cents in euros. And now be honest, was your guess at the beginning really correct? If you also want to know how much it costs to run the washing machine at 40 and 60 degrees, then check out the video you now see on the screen. Click on it directly.